Hey, it's Chris with ROE Dental Laboratory, and I have some very exciting news for our CHROME GuidedSMILE doctors. Now, over the years, if you've done CHROME with us, we've sped our times up to get the cases back to you, but we always are hearing feedback. We need the cases done faster. We want the cases out to the doctor so the patient can get their smiles faster. Well, great news. We are speeding up our time to get CHROME back to you. Before this video, it was about 20 business days to get our cases back to you. And now that this video is happening, we can get the cases back to you in 14 business days. So a whole week faster. Pretty exciting, right? Now, how does this work? Well, we want you to submit the records like you always do, and we ask now if you could just verify that the records are perfect. Because once the records are here and the patient's gone and we review it, something's off, you have to have the patient come back. So, please give us a call. You submit the records. If there's any questions on those records submitted, call us. We'll verify them while the patient's here and then send them on their way. And we're going to immediately start plating this case. Now, if you know your records are always perfect, you've done a bunch of cases with us, you don't have to verify them. But if there's any questions, please call us and please verify those records. Once we have those records done, we're going to get you on a meeting within 5 days. You used to have to wait a little longer. Now we can get you into the meeting faster. And then once that meeting is done, it takes us only 7 business days now to ship that case back out to you. It used to be around 10 business days, so we've shrunk that down too. So the entire process, we're able to speed this thing up and again, get those cases back to you a lot faster. So hopefully this is exciting for you. It's very exciting for us, because we want to get these cases out to you and get those surgeries done so you can move on to the next one. If you have any questions, of course, give us a call here at the lab, and we look forward to speeding your time up and getting these cases out to you. Thanks.